guys.
Hello, guys.
Welcome to our live stream show. This is Joanna.
This is Victor.
I'm the partner of Goalong Group.
I'm the sales manager of Goalong Group.
So today we are going to present you a different distillery of whiskey in China.
Yes.
So what will be the secret of the first Chinese whiskey? Let's go and find out, okay?
Okay.
Oh, okay. Victor, I know you're new here, so would you please make a brief introduction of our company?
Okay, of course. Goalong Legal Company Corporation Limited is one-stop professional international manufacturer in the year of 2016, mainly producing and exporting whiskey, brandy, vodka, and gin.
Yes.
Yeah. And nowadays we have 3 factories. One factory is in Vivo City,
Yeah.
and another factory is in Nanli Industry Loops. And this factory is mainly used to produce the private labor service to our customers.
Yes, correct.
But nowadays we stand a new house in our new factory in Liuyang City.
So, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
So why is Liuyang, not other cities? Because in China, you know, there's so many beautiful places or so many different places. Why is Liuyang? Is there any special reason for that?
Yes, maybe I can sing a song about Liuyang rivers. The song is 浏阳河，弯过了几道弯. Yes.
I remember that. So this is the reason. Any other reason for that?
Maybe in Liuyang City we can see the beautiful persons, the blue skies, and the water is sweet. So with many advantages for us. And
so this is about the environment, right?
yes, today we can come up with this idea to meet you guys on the live stream. So if you are very interested in our new factory, please follow us by step to
Get inside.
Yes.
And check out more.
Welcome.
Let's go.
In this section of you can see our company names, Goalong Distillery originated. And the words under the words you can see for our company culture and company values and wishes. And our slogan is always to go along with this to our company slogan. Yes.
Yes, that's correct. So, as I mentioned just now, we have 4 floors in this building. So, the 4th one is for the finished products warehouse. So now because this distillery is going to start, but not yet. It's for blending all the samples and the samples room, blending different kind of liquids here. And over there will be different kinds of testing equipment. Some different elements can be tested from those equipments, and those equipments are all advanced equipments for ladies dressroom to change the working suit. And after clean here, and they will put their clothes here and get inside from that door. So that door is for to cut off the space from outside to inside. So inside is the inner packing workshop. This testing room, and inside this lab, our workers will work here and to find to work here. And also inside there is a very private room. When they prepare the samples here, they cannot get out, and other staff standing outside cannot get in. They have to hand in their samples from this window, and then to make sure the liquids are 100% clean.
Okay, please follow my step to visit our production line.
Yeah.
Yes.
And over here, this is the area for the raw materials, like the bottles, caps, labels, or cartons like that, right?
Yes.
So we have enough space to put the raw materials. But how does the whiskey bottled? How does the liquors bottled? How does the drinks bottled? Follow us. So, Victor, would you please introduce our bottling lines to our friends?
Yes, okay. Nowadays we have 4 bottling lines.
Yes.
Section line 1, line 2, line 3, and line 5. Yeah. In the line 1 and line 3, they are bottling about liquor and sparkling and soda, wind, and so many liquors. But in line 3 and line 5, they are bottling the liquors such as whiskey, brandy, vodka, and gin or others. So, in the line 1, line 1 and line 2, it can produce about 10,000 bottles per hour. But in line 3 and line 5, it consists of the automatic and semi-automatic bottling. It about 2,000 or 1,000 pieces. Yes.
Okay.
So about the details, how to make it, please invite my colleagues Joanna to introduce to us.
Okay, let's take a closer look. As Victor just explained, there are 4 lines here which are going to work quickly, and from line 1, line 3, line 4, line 3, and line 4, there are 4 different lines. Our 3rd floor we cannot show you, it's private, but I can tell you some theory about that. Because all the cocktails or soda or liqueur or some drinks like that, they have to add the carbon dioxide, right?
Yeah.
So after the worker prepared to get the instruction from the factory, they will have they will know what they will produce. So they will control this from this screen, from this dashboard, right? So after here we will have the left cup, and here we will have the cap. You can see that these 2 lines are joined into 1 line. So here is, our liquors will be temperature will be cooling down. From high temperature to 2 to 5 centigrade, right? 2 to 5 centigrades. So when our normal temperature is around 20 centigrade, for example, then the bottle surface will get wet. So you will see from this part, this aisle is very wide. Why is that? Why it is so wide? Because for example, every bottle will stay in this line, in this part for at least 15 minutes to get the temperature to be the normal temperature. And then from here, the speed of the bottling will become normal, will be back. So from here, the belt goes very fast. Why it is so important? Why we call it? We want to make the patent for that, because it will save time, save energy, and also save the manpower, right?
Yes.
So all the lines we get here, the finished products will be putting on the aisle. So through those slide away, you can check here. There are different holes. Go down from this part, and get down directly to the 1st floor, because the 1st floor will be the warehouse. You can check this part. Every floor we have different holes, and from here, all the raw materials, for example, empty bottles, the caps, the cartons, the gift box for each bottle, different materials can be sent from this from this part. Oh, amazing.
Amazing, yes. Oh, Joanna,
Yeah.
I have a question about this. I see all of these windows are closed. So,
Good question.
yeah, could you tell us why?
Okay. Just now Victor asked me why all the windows are closed. Building number one, it covers an area of 8,000 square meters, and in this building, we're going to build the Whisky University. So to help all the Goalong people, Goalong staff, and also help our clients, and also help the whiskey lovers, and also help our clients to learn more about whiskey. The unit is different. That is for me. 45 units, yeah, right?
45 square meter.
Yeah, you have to buy 667. Let me see. It's about 3,000. It's about 3,000 square meters. So that is the scale of our two projects. So let's still continue to find out the secrets of our whiskey. Building number 3 is for distillation. This is the distillation workshop. So what do you find?
Yeah, in my first thought, I can see the beauties. Amazing. Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. Victor, I know you're familiar with those devices. Could you please give us more introduction?
3 box. Each box have about 100 right square meter, 100 tons. Yes, they are totally 300 tons in there.
Oh, that is huge, right?
Yes.
So what are those tanks big boxes for?
It used to the raw materials, such as our whiskeys is made from the grapes and the malt, right? And we use this material into the malts and to ferment.
Understand. So just now Victor told us what we will use those barns for. Yes, barns is for the materials keeping, right? When the cars or trucks reach here from that road, and then it will reach here, and the back side of the car will park here. After they park here, they will pull off all the ingredients inside this part. So after the wort is made from the fermentation step, right? All the worts will be going through these taps and into the distillers. Now there are 6 distillers in our workshop, right? Because after this equipment installation, the alcohol strength will be pretty much high because we use more device inside here and to get the strength much more higher and make the spirits taste more pure and fresh and clean. And in the future, we also can do the gin, G-I-N, gin. So how can we make gin? Just now I just took the example for the vodka. If we don't need gin, we just close this valve here. We close here, we will not go down this part. Just directly go to that part. This is for cooling down, because after distillation, the temperature for the liquors will be pretty much high. But here is the cooling device, cooling system.
Okay, look at this building. This is our number 4 buildings.
Number 4.
Yes. Each floor, there are 4 floors in this building, and each floor's buildings is about 1,200 square meters.
Yes, correct.
Yes. In these buildings, we mainly produce our pure waters and other drinks. Yes. Like the beer, yes, and the soft drinks and others. The 4th floor is used to storage the products
the finished product, right?
That's the finished product.
So how much capacity we can put inside that?
About 50,000.
50,000.
50,000, yes.
Okay, that's huge, right? Warehouse for the finished products. So we are capable and we have a big capacity to supply to our customers from in and abroad, right?
Yeah.
So Victor, I think you can show us from top to the first floor one by one
Okay.
about the building number 4, right?
So Joanna,
Yeah.
we are now in third floor,
Yes.
and there are so many machines in there. So I don't know how to use this machine to make our products.
Of course, you don't need to use that because normally our professional staff will work here. We cannot step inside because today we have the special permit, so we can step in the third floor. Like the building number 2, we cannot go to the blending workshop. After treated by these devices, the water will get more pure, more clean. So we call those because the original water is from the mountain, right? After the sugar is melted, we will add some different ingredients and with different formulas. And for example, if you want to have the teas, the jasmine tea or the juice, different kind of drinks, we have different formula, right? So we will do the melting and cooking inside here, and then we will get them prepared in our heat and cold pot here. So now we come to the second floor, right?
Yeah.
Second floor is mainly for bottling for
water.
pure water,
Yeah.
and then soft drinks, right? After the water is ready, after the drinks, the bottled drinks is ready, they will get down from the third floor to the second floor to the bottling part. And here is for bottling. But where does all those empty bottles come from? You know, the pure water's bottle is plastic, right? PE plastic bottle. And for the soft drinks,
Now comes to our number 5 building.
yeah, number 5 building. This is our
Our
wine cellars,
yeah.
and which is the place for keeping all the barrels and casks. So, in building number 5, we have it covers an area of 1,520 square meters. So in this building, we will have a capacity of 6,666 pieces of the bourbon cask. So now here is the third one, right?
Yes.
And till now, we introduced around 5 different buildings, have different functions. And now, in front of us, there is a view of a mountain. In this part, in this area, there will be our second phase. Second phase will be
About 45.
that is the Chinese unit.
Yes,
It's 45 more. Well, welcome to our training. Yes. Now here is the period because after the work we will have a lot of spare time. In this private place, we will have our own activities,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So do you like it?
Yes, I love very much.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, next time. Let's introduce canteen first. Here is only for staff only. There will be couch and chairs like that. And over this place is the transparent kitchen. So here is a secret. Wow, surprise. It's not for me. Well, there must be some huge VIP customers coming. So here we will make a brief introduction. Here is for the VIP customer as the VIP friends. So you will see we have in this dining hall we can have 30 people dining together, have enjoying the dinner or lunch here. So welcome to enjoy the dinner or lunch with us here, because VIP room is so elegant. So we'll see you here next time. Hi guys. Now we come to another part. Behind us, this is equipment. These devices are for distillation. Because here, if you want to brew, if you want to distill your own favorite spirits or drinks, you can do it by yourself, DIY, right? Do it by yourself. So here, like our kitchen is transparent, it's open. Also, the distillation parts will be open for all of us. So here, when you have dinner or lunch, when you're sitting here, you will notice, you will know all the steps for distillation, from distillation and waiting. And so here we not only have fun, but also learn the skills, learn the knowledge about distillations, about so many parts. And here is another secret part I want to show you. Come and follow us. Well, so much for this today.
Yes.
So thank you so much for your watching. And today is only the brief introduction of our distillery. In the future, we will present how Chinese whiskey, Chinese single malt whiskey is made, right?
Yes.
And we thank you so much for your time and patience, and we'll see you next time.
Let's see you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.